thank you for coming back to the show. BTS has been nominated for 5 Grammys. Your single, 7, made history by being the fastest song in history to reach 1 billion streams. 1 billion. A few weeks ago, you replaced yourself on Spotify's list of most streamed songs in the world. I have news for you. I have news for you that I don't even know if you know this yet. This just happened an hour ago. Your single 7 just became platinum right now. The best fans. What do you like doing? Like what outside of music? What do you do for fun?
Sometimes I spend my whole day in bed or cooking.
Ooh, cooking.
Working out.
Yeah. What do you cook? What do you like to cook?
Do you know 막국수? 막국수.
No.
Noodle.
Yes. I love noodles. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I know that. You slurp.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you ever had New York City pizza?
Yeah.
No. Oh, I got you.
New York pizza. Let's cheers.
Cheers, bud. That's good, right?
Yum.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. What is the scariest thing in the world? The scariest thing in the world for you? And your answer was? Does anyone know? Yes. A microwave. What are you talking about?
When I was young.
Girl, I hope you understand. I wanted to hold your hand, but I can't want to.
I used to be afraid, but
You're kidding.
still afraid.
Why? Why are you afraid?
I don't know.
I guess it's a little frightening because I don't really understand it.
I don't know. Like,
Yeah.
boom.
Sometimes you do karaoke. Sometimes you're cooking.
Yeah.
But this thing that made me laugh, this is my favorite thing that you did. You fell asleep. You fell asleep. You fell asleep and just slept for 45 minutes and everyone, 6 million people tuned in to watch you sleep.
It was something very unexpected. But 솔직히 약간 부끄러워.
Great cover. By the way, look at those abs. Yeah, I mean, it's awesome. I'll never achieve that ever. Can we say that there may be a golden world tour in the future?
월드 투어를 솔로로서 정말로 돌아보고 싶기는 한데 아직까지는 이제 곡수가 그렇게 많다고 생각을 안 해서 정말로 이제 본격적으로 한번 해보고 싶은 생각이 있습니다. 그래도 이제 11월 20일에
Is there a little choreography from standing next to you that you could teach me?
Yeah, of course.
You could teach me?
Let's do it. So simple.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, yeah.
Bam, bam. Standing next to you, bam.
I don't know if I got it. No, yeah, it's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Standing next to you, bam.
Jungkook, everybody!